Welcome to the final section of the course. In this part, we will explore some of the big questions and challenges that come with using AI in agriculture. So let's start with something many people don't realize at first. AI can be biased. So let's break that down in a simple way. What is biased AI? AI learns from data. We have already learned about this aspect. But if the data is incomplete or unbalanced, or if it does not have any diversity, the AI can develop bias, meaning it gives better results for some people or some situations and worse results for others. In farming, that can create problems. And I can give just a simple example about that. Let's say an AI model for detecting plant diseases is trained mostly on images of corn leaves from the farms in the United States. And now let's imagine a farmer in Africa or in Southeast Asia or in India tries to use the same tool, but it doesn't recognize local leaf shapes, or maybe light conditions, or maybe some common diseases in that region. And what is the result? The result is that the tool gives poor advice or misses problems completely. That's AI bias in action, and it can lead to mistakes, waste, or even crop failure. So, where can bias come from? First of all, bias comes from limited data. If most training data comes from one region, from one crop or animal type, it looks like it may bring bias. The second thing is about unequal representation. If small farms, local varieties, or diverse climates are underrepresented, it's also one of the signs of possible bias. Third part is about human labeling errors. We are all humans, we make mistakes. So if the examples used to train the AI were labeled incorrectly, there is a high probability that the AI will be biased when assessing some specific situation and providing some prediction. So the good news is there are ways to reduce bias and build more fair and more inclusive AI tools. First of all, and the greatest advice is just to use diverse datasets. So please include photos and data from different countries, crops and climates if you are developing a new AI model. The second thing is about testing AI in real-world situations and real field settings. So please always try tools on your own farm or community before relying on them. So try, is it still working in your conditions, or is just the ad which was working nicely and demonstrating some nice results? Also, it's very important to give feedback. Some apps and platforms allow users to correct mistakes. We are speaking about that feedback loop, if you remember, we spoke about that. So please help to improve the model. Supporting open data projects. The more farmers contribute, the better AI becomes for everyone. So please, if you can contribute either data, either your feedback, do it. And we also must speak about the worst part. The worst part is that sometimes you don't know is it biased or not until the damage is done. So the final thought regarding the biased AI is that we need to ask, who trained this AI? Whose data is it learning from? And does it understand your reality? So these questions are the core questions. By being aware of bias, you are already one step closer to using AI more responsibly and more effectively. So, in the next lesson, we'll talk about another important question. Who owns the data on your farm? And what happens to it if it's processed by AI? So, let's keep going.